Are you wondering what it's like living in the Windy City? Here are 3 reasons to move to Chicago. 1. Stunning architecture. Even longtime Chicago residents don't get bored of this city's magnificent skyline, with towering skyscrapers that were once at the cutting edge of architectural experimentation and innovation. Explore the historic buildings from the city's streets, marvel at them from a boat tour on the Chicago River, or catch the view from one of the city's many rooftop lounges. 2. Delicious deep dish pizza. This style of pizza was invented in Chicago and remains popular to this day. No one can seem to agree on who served the best pizza in Chicago, which is all the more reason to test out the top contenders yourself. 3. Amazing spring and summer weather. Chicago winters may have a chilly reputation, but residents are more than rewarded for their patience once the warmer months roll around. Spend your days basking in the sun on Lake Michigan, attending one of the city's many festivals, kayaking on the Chicago River, or hanging out at Millennium Park or the Navy Pier. If you're thinking about moving to Chicago, Landing offers fully furnished apartments with flexible lease terms that let you stay in town for as long as you'd like. Learn more at hellolanding.com.